Transferring money from a Visa gift card to a bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open your web browser and type financestrategies.com in the search bar. Once the website loads, navigate to the home page by clicking on the Home button. On the home page, look for a section or menu labeled Banking and click on it. Within the Banking section, search for the specific option called Bank Account and click on it. Now, if you're on the bank account page, you can proceed to find information on how to transfer a Visa gift card balance to a bank account. Look for a link or section titled How to Transfer Visa Gift Card Balance to a Bank Account and click on it. Once you're on the relevant page, you may find a table of contents that outlines the different sections of the guide. Locate the section called Factors to Consider before transferring gift card balance and click on it. The duration it takes for the funds to move from your gift card to your bank account can vary significantly depending on your urgency. This can influence your method choice. This method is generally reliable, but it may take a few days for the funds to reflect in your bank account. If direct deposit isn't an option, or if you'd prefer a different method, you can use a money transfer platform such as PayPal or Venmo. These platforms allow you to link your Visa gift card as a payment method, after which you can transfer the balance to your bank account. Create an account with the money transfer platform. There you should see an option to add a card. Input your Visa gift card details, and once the card is linked, you can transfer the balance to your bank account.